Hi, everyone, and welcome to today's Quick Tip. I'm Chris, and I'm here with Mike. And today we will be talking about how to get a different black or a better black in Ergosoft using Black Point Architect. So, Black Point Architect is a tool that was made essentially for the purpose of achieving that ever elusive, darker, richer black, primarily in a sublimation application. So, Mike, walk us through how one would use this tool to see what options are available for getting a richer black in Ergosoft.
No problem. Thank you, Chris. So the color GPS program here is where you're going to find Blackpoint Architect. So we're going to go to Options and then Blackpoint Architect. And this is what it looks like. The first step is to select a chart for printing on the top left here. So we give you 3 charts to start with. The difference between these charts is that the large chart prints patches that are about 3 inches wide. The wide chart prints patches that are about 3 inches by 1.5 inches wide, and the small chart prints patches that are 1.5 by 1.5. I'm going to double click and import that file. You'll see it opens right here. So when you select your chart, it's going to import it into Composer, and then you can print it on whatever material you would like. But let me zoom in here. So if you see, this is what the chart looks like on screen, and then this is what the chart looks like printed out on paper. And the way you use this tool is you look at the printed out sample and you find which one of these patches looks the deepest, the richest, the best, right? And you look through them. Some of them might be a little bit more like a slate or a charcoal. Some of them might be a little bit blue or a little bit red, let's say. But you're looking for that deep, deep, deep black. Let's just say it's A11, right? We love this A11 mixture. Once you've selected that, you go back to your color GPS and you actually select that patch from here, right? A11. And that's basically what you have to do. So now we're telling Ergosoft, I know the black you had before the mix was good, but I like this mix better. Please use this mix. So now Ergosoft is going to use that black mix as your rich, deep black from now on. So we're going to hit OK, and then you can continue on with your ICC profile. And then that's all you have to do to finish the Blackpoint Architect.
Great. Okay. So essentially what's happening is that each of these patches have a different formula of CMYK to get black. And really, because different fabric types behave so differently, or different lighting conditions, obviously, you will have the ability to select the recipe that's going to look the best on your particular substrate in your particular lighting conditions. So, as with all things in Ergosoft, you can have different print environments with different black recipes, should you choose. But this is a really powerful tool and an excellent way to achieve the exact black look that you're looking to achieve. And super easy. So, Mike, once we're done with this, we would then make the color GPS profile, right?
Yeah, once you selected your black, then you can generate a chart, which we did cover in a previous video. Go through that whole process, the measuring, and then generate your profile. And then you have a new profile generated with that black point as your default.
Okay, great point. So if you're looking to utilize Blackpoint Architect, you have to be aware that you will need to generate a new profile because that black recipe will be incorporated into that profile. So more of a process thing, but something that's very good to know in terms of if you're looking to experiment with the tool, um, you'll have to regenerate the ICC. Excellent. Well, Mike, thank you very much. It's been very helpful. Thanks for watching, everybody, and please contact us if you have any questions.